Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you guys how can you easily download YouTube videos to your device. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. Since we're going to use the YouTube app, let's go ahead and open the Play Store or App Store. And let's go ahead and make sure we have the YouTube app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Now first, I'm going to show you how to download videos that you own, basically your own videos from your channel. For that, we go first to your browser. And let me show you how to get here. First, let's go to studio.youtube.com. You should see something that looks like this. Now, for the mobile version, it's going to be a little bit complicated. So let's go to the desktop version. You tap in the bottom right corner, make sure the desktop side is turned on. Now from here, zoom into the top left and tap on this little icon. From here, you find all of your videos on your channel. Now let's go ahead and decide which one we want to download. To do that, let me just go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Tap on the squares that should be in the left side of the videos. That's how you select the videos. You can download multiple at once. I'm just gonna choose one, and then in that white bar that pops up, tap on more actions right here. You find delete video or download. If you want to download the videos, just tap on download right there. That's for your own videos. If you want to download videos from the app to your device that you want to watch later, maybe when you're offline or something, choose the video by tapping on it. And then from here, it's very easy and simple. You find this little sliding bar under the title. It's not save. Let's tap instead on download. Let's go ahead and tap on download. If you're a free user, you can go ahead and tap on medium or low. If you're a premium user, you can tap on full or HD. Basically, it depends on your subscription. Now from here, tap on download. Let's go to settings first and change it because I'm on mobile data and I want it to download right now. Just like that, I can go to my downloads. Basically, I quit from here. I tap on the profile picture that should be in the bottom right here. And here it is, guys, my downloads. Once I tap on it, I find the video that I just downloaded and it's on my device now and I can watch it even when offline. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.